Welcome back to my channel. Let's make beautiful handmade designer Jhumka earrings at home. First, take an OHP sheet. Apply glue on it and carefully place the mirror. Press it gently and let it stick properly. Now, stick the ball chain around the mirror. After that, use a stone chain to decorate the design. Then add white pearls neatly. Next, apply glass color on the mirror. Let it dry completely. Once it is dry, carefully cut the design. Now take the Jhumka base. Apply glue and attach the stone chain around it. Apply glue. Then start sticking crystal stones neatly. After that, use a stone chain again. Now add a pearl chain, followed by a ball chain. Cut the ball chain into small pieces. Paste the tiny ball pieces into the empty spaces of the Jhumka base. This will give a beautiful and rich look to the earrings. Take some eye pins and fix them inside the Jhumka base using glue. Make sure they are properly attached. Now take another eye pin. Insert l'oreal beads and white pearls to make pearl hangings. Attach an eye pin and earring stud on the upper part. Insert beads into the eye pin and connect it with the Jhumka cap. Now attach the pearl hangings at the bottom. Finally, join the stud part with the jhumka. And now, our handmade designer jhumka earrings are completely ready. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.